students, welcome to Max class. Here we are going to discuss how to derive the section formula. Let's discuss. Here I took a line segment AB. This line segment AB I am going to divide into two sections M and N. That means one particular point is going to divide the line segment into two sections. So here we need to find out that particular point. Okay, so which is dividing the line segment into two sections. So here directly we cannot find out that particular point. Then how to find out that particular point? Okay, so first we need to make a right angle triangle by using this point P and B. Okay, so the right angle triangle is PBC. Next we need to make one more right angle triangle, the triangle APQ. Okay, the triangle APQ. And see this two triangle. The two triangle has one uniqueness. So what is that? See here, that angle Q, that angle APQ is right angle. At the same time, that angle PCP is also right angle. So these two angles are what angles? Corresponding angles. Okay. At the same time, see the angle B. So angle B is corresponding to angle P. So already we studied in this ninth standard. Okay. In transversal concept, see here the line PS is parallel to line BT, and which is transversal here, the BB. Okay, so these two angles are corresponding angles, and these two angles are equal. Then see this angle BPC is corresponding to which angle? It's corresponding to angle PAQ. So these two angles are corresponding angles. So we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. So similar triangles already we know that. In similar triangles, their corresponding sides are, the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. So AQ divided by PC equal to QP divided by CP equal to AP divided by BP. So the corresponding sides ratios are equal. So we know that already AP equal to M, BP equal to N. Okay, the ratios are given M and N. So here I took the ratios M and N. Okay, so M divided by N. So then we need to find out AQ. So how to find out the length AQ? So already we discussed in the distance formula how to find out the distance. Okay, so AQ. So here what is the coordinate? X coordinate of Q? X coordinate of Q is X. Okay, so which is distance from the Y axis is X here, X coordinate, and take the point A. The point A which is X coordinate X1, because that is distance from the Y axis X1. So the total distance from the Y axis, okay, that particular point is X. X coordinate is X. Here in the point A, which is X coordinate X1. So X minus X1. Okay, so the total distance X minus X1. So that is AQ. Next we need to find out PC. So PC, see this here which is X coordinate X2. Actually the X2 is distance from the Y axis. Okay, so X2, what is X coordinate of P? We know that X. So this is distance from the y-axis. So how to find out BC? So x2 minus x. So x2 minus x equal to. Next we need to find out PQ. Okay, PQ, we know that actually this is vertical line. Okay. So what is y coordinate of P is y. What is y coordinate of Q is y1, because the y1 is a distance from the x-axis. So y minus y1 is the length of PQ. Similarly, BC we need to find out. So what is the length of BT is y2. What is the length of CT is y. So y2 minus y, that is BC. So y2 minus y equal to m divided by n. Next, we need to equate x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x equal to m divided by n. If we equate these two, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x equal to m minus n. Why here we are equating? Because their ratios are equal. Then only we can find out that x value, x and y. Okay, that particular point. Because the point, the coordinate is x comma y. So by using the ratio m and n, we need to find out x. Then using the ratio m and n, we need to find out y. Okay. So x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x is equal to m by n. Just do it cross multiplication. Getting nx minus nx1 equal to mx2 minus mx. And transpose x terms to one side. And nx1 transpose to right hand side. Why we are transposing left hand side? Because here we need to find out the x value. Here which is common, x is common, take outside. So remaining m plus n. We need to find out x. So m plus n transpose to right hand side. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, y value. So y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y equal to m minus n. Then do it cross multiplication. Then we'll be get the y value as my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So we found x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, actually this is the point. Actually this is the formula. This is section formula. Okay, if the point is dividing the line segment internally, okay, inside only we dividing. So internally, this is the formula. In case if the ratios are equal, if their ratios are equal, m is 10 equal to 1 is to 1 means this is the formula x2 plus x1 divided by 2 comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is midpoint formula. The ratios are equal, so definitely that point is in the center of the line segment. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this concept. Thank you, students.